Simba, my party, my choice.
Uko Tanzania. Tunaona kama nikichukua tu simu niangalie sahihi ID namba yako ndio kupata Ford Kenya is there to stay, and I want to make it categorically. Ford Kenya is not going to fold. Ford Kenya is going to be there up to 2070s. Ford Kenya is the second oldest party, and we cannot afford to fold our party. We will work with like-minded people, and we are going to form the government with like-minded people so that we take Kenya ahead.
Our big agenda is to have more seat in 2027. That is starting from the deputy president downward. Only is that we are not going to fill on the president because we are in Kenya Kwanza government to stay. We are going to fill the governors, women rep office, MPs, MCAs, and all the categories.
Na tunahakikishia wale supporters wetu kwamba chama hiki ni chama ambacho kinaenziwa na tunawakaribisha. Hii chama yetu tunasimamia usawa, haki na ukweli.